Alright, here is 7-3 example 6, the last example for this section. We're going to be rationalizing binomial radical denominators. So we have a radical symbol, a binomial radical, in the denominator of this expression. We need to rationalize this so this becomes useful in higher mathematics. All we have to do is multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. So it's going to write this out. The conjugate of this denominator is 4 minus rad 3. So anytime we rationalize, we're multiplying the expression times the 1, but in this case the 1 looks like the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, going to FOIL this out. Let's see. On the top, it's 8, and then minus 2 rad 3, minus 4 rad 3, and then the negative times the negative is plus rad 9. That's going to be plus 3 here in just a minute. And let's do the bottom. We know the middle terms are going to cancel, so we can kind of skip that step. Let's just multiply first time first. So that's going to be 16. Middle terms are going to cancel. Rad 3 times negative rad 3 is going to be minus rad 9. Now I want to stop and caution you, looking at this expression right here, do not think you can go say, oh, there's a rad 9, there's a rad 9, I can cancel them out. You can't do that when you're simplifying stuff above and below a fraction bar, because there is an invisible implied parentheses on the top and the bottom that is always there. You can't just dip in and cancel the stuff out, and you're going to hear me say that again later. Alright, so where else does this go? We stick with the 8, like terms here. Negative 2 minus 4 is minus 6 rad 3. And this is going to be plus 3. That's not like terms either. That's a radical 3, that's a 3. Don't put those together. And this is going to be 16 minus 3. Alright, let's put the like terms together one more time to simplify for an answer. We have an 8 and a plus 3. Let's put those together and write it first. That's 11 minus 6 rad 3. And then 16 minus 3 is 13. And that's our final answer. A lot of times there's no rhyme or reason how we get the numbers from here to here. There's very, very rarely do you see common terms, except for the radicals, last from one expression to the other when you're rationalizing it.